Mensa Mama Kwabe Busia for good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What can some make me cheap?
Ewa.
So what a multi
Chale.
Charlie, but it's all good.
Yeah.
I think why and we appreciate that. And we are thinking about them to give them nothing but the best. And today, should keep tabs with us. Yɛn Nsɛmpa has come to stay with Nana Yaa Brefo.
Indeed. But the two just say agenda 111.
Yeah.
Wow, I say one district. One hospital. So now President say we're frosty. It be ongoing. It be so completed. Me boy.
Completed.
It be so no start at all.
It was one hour was worship. Assassins as a summer agent.
Yo. Indian one assassin as a hospital.
Oh no, there are a lot of them.
Another doctor for us, I am for 1 year ready. What the bag I'm saying instead of hospital.
Especially as a Korean mampo, for instance.
Yes.
Nasaya no Munya hospital around the airport.
Yes.
Assassin around the airport.
Yeah, Munya assassin around the airport. Just because all this one in no money assassin or model. And also more expansion at airports. They needed a hospital around the airport because it's part of the requirements from the aviation, whatever.
To get so a standardized hospital around.
And on Monday, agenda 111 aquaship. Hospital also can just 2% of the money. And so we release my that is from the Paris club. But obviously, he knew the do. This guy, the mama
But Nanado, I'm paying bury the state of the nation address.
Yes.
I'm just hoping that you'll be very truthful with Ghanaians. No, I don't want to mince words. Me pede on your truthful kakra with Ghanaians.
He should tell us the truth.
Yes, he should tell us the truth. Ghana, we are not stupid.
No.
And I said, whatever is happening, we see.
We know.
We
feel it.
But at times, we just want you to be very open with us.
Unless what they are saying, the why or no, I'm saying. Uko Facebook, I'll be who they making. You know, on your 95.1 FM. Uko Facebook, I'll be who they making. So, unless say, "Na me and yes say, well, see and yes say,
yeah." The expectation, maybe expectation of Dawson. So na ye bia ye bakari better so tax do ye be ye day. But so na baby 2 years make profound statement. Oz abotoyem zebre oye timemufo. And we are hoping that Oman Pain would use this. I stand to be corrected.
Fellow Ghanaians and find your baby.
Absolutely. I stand to be corrected if this will be his last or...
It is the last.
January. January
7th, no, I hand you over.
Yes.
No, I hand over.
Yeah, so this is,
I think this is the last one.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, you see...
The next one I'll be buying the supplementary budget.
Yes, the supplementary budget. I think quarter of the year.
Yeah, last quarter of the year.
Adoga guy. Ni sebi shemi bio wo biara with Ghanaians no one use this opportunity.
The people around him, the people writing his report are not telling him the reality on the ground.
But also sebi
when you are there,
no,
you are power drunk.
No, Debbie.
When you are there, you are power drunk.
No, I'm Debbie.
The people around him, the people are giving him the report. I'm not telling him the reality.
Obey state of the nation.
Report put together.
Into reports, na nipa nde baba. No, what is it? Na oba no ebe deliver. But there are some because he's in Ghana. They are
not telling him the reality.
What is people? What is your man? What are you telling me? JB, no, hold on. JB, let me finish.
You should understand.
JB, hold on. You see, the man sits at the peak of governance.
I was live on Facebook on your 95.1 FM, on your 95.1 FM. The air can be where action.
He has intel. Do you think he received briefing only from the sector ministers? No. Apart from the sector ministers, he does cross-checking. What are you?
National security.
Exactly. JB, hold on.
Every morning.
JB,
he also has
you've had your point. Hold on. So he has briefings from all quarters.
Yes.
Double check, triple check, everything. Are you telling me? No man paying if there's a road at 1 year. No man paying to Minfa Road in Twinchan. Mamu Krom Sekenita Krade. You come and tell us that a sports stadium is around 90%.
Yes.
What are you telling me? Are you telling me that it was an information coming through from the sector minister?
Yes.
That is the youth and sport. Maybe hold on.
That is the
hold on.
And I will tell you a different thing about this man. What he's saying.
Are you telling me that the information came through from all the youth and sports minister?
Yes.
Nobody, nobody was able to know, to tell the president, and you know, we have your friend, the Western Regional Minister, we have the National Security for all the people.
That is the issue.
You are telling me that when the president was reading or was proofreading, nobody was able to tell him that this is not factual.
You see, but that job is quite difficult.
Is that what we are saying?
That job is quite difficult, because you see,
then
sectors now or Ghana.
Then these people are incompetent.
But then you can say that.
Then these people are incompetent. These people are incompetent.
And I feel that he should crack the whip.
One example.
Say, I can be not. You crack the whip.
One example. President Mahama.
Yes.
Efre Konyasono. Kumawu Hospital. The state was around 46%.
He was
46%.
Yeah.
Omokache say 64%. As at the time,
they lied to him.
They lied bitterly to him.
And they made the whole president.
Yes.
You see,
lied to the country.
46%.
46. 60% is pardonable.
But it's not
close.
It is
not.
It's
not close.
The difference.
40 and 60 is not close.
The difference.
5%.
The difference would have been that it is completed, but between 40 and 60%. Remember, hold on.
How is that
I mean, now, you're layman. When they tell you this 40%, this is you know.
But Nipa no kind of professional.
I mean, how you're layman. So I'm talking about in generality of Ghanaians in general. But when we talk about baby, President Mahama, what can be done? Baby, what's way we working? Those are the issues.
One of example.
Then, I'm paying for incompetent. That's the bottom line. Yeah, they are incompetent.
The man, Agufado, and yes, what him near Kosu. But the people around him, and I'm not so strong. I never couldn't say, then be a person to some there.
Now, one
the bitter truth to him. But
you see, those are the people that you need around you.
That is the truth, but in reality, he doesn't need those people.
And then we brutal, Mr. I don't need
he
that.
Doesn't need those
people.
The critique that will,
so that I can work around it and push it harder.
And
because we have to do double job.
But the man,
of the presidency.
But the man that we know, the man that his own people are talking to us about, they are telling us that Papa, what kind of creature now? Or do we talk time crew?
No, but
it is
no matter the Henry Bayiano, Nanado Penase. He is loyal to people who are loyal to him. That is why he has kept somebody like in the communication director, the director or the Jubilee House.
Yeah.
Because of the whole summer by Eugene.
Yeah.
Now can the whole summer by in respect of the Nawari but he said he's bought a lot of properties from a Juma Bank, or now a lot of people within the circle. But he is loyal to people who are loyal to him. These people have kept him very, very well, closely, and that is why those people are still existing.
Which is okay, the likes of Nipa no Papa there I mean, Nipa no there sakan.
You ask yourself, say, you ask yourself, say, it's a competent than the Apia. It's as so much competent
that relative.
That one is relative.
Is he competent that
that one is relative?
Experience wise and everything wise.
That one is relative, depending on where you belong. And indeed, so when you don't go to a dream, say, be I am a presidency and I am a manager. Come where you first as what for your wedding. It's the end they're going to be Papa. You can't fault him too much on that.
Ghanaian Times. Papa info nimbo Thomas Musa Tanku. Ono ye training man at. Watch us am nyuku ahodo see omo ba betro manifesto. Eya free senior high school ni TVET. Womo enwene ho emfa nkomo se de be ya enhyehyɛ ni nyina betimi akoyie. Na just one group of company how many from Zoom Lion?
Zoom Lion ka.
Bola musibo na.
So adwuma bebre ba Zoom Lion ka ho. Zoom Lion.
Yes, wo mo akwaje contract e wo Lagos. Alatama mo se ombesi waste management plant.
Wow.
Na Ghana head mo ewi.
Oh, send your business mind. And what did be account to or kwa si waste plant e wo Nigeria.
Nigeria, Lagos.
So we see be wa ho.
They are yet to complete.
We must say it's
a superb idea.
Yeah,
very
fantastic.
He's
a very industrious man. He's a very industrious man. But Zoom like Jumanu na say,
unfortunately,
Bola sound na one way Jumanu wa bre.
Messi, ti asoma me
kan.
Ojinu boom.
Yes.
No chana pure.
Pure no ya no.
No, I want.
Baby ofi no fi pure.
No, I hear me.
But pure. Hey,
tum what's
Mr. Pure no boy on kwa. Brother Pure no boy on kwa. Ayo Pure no on kwa. Ayo home so. Anna, eduma na nkasa so omo ye no omo ebi nya ye.
No.
Unfortunately, these people politicize almost everything. Me say bedu Ghana ha bedu tell me betin teso kra na ye politicize no.
Yeah.
Because Naka Zoom Lion, this man, he's doing a great job.
Yeah, very.
But you know, say, some man 84 no. Omo koye demonstration some pay.
Yeah.
One of these same omo mochisa baller for back ya. And then yes, I did so almost businessman business. One of those baller for ya.
But no businessman grow. Chairman Sabos went to me anka. I hope patches or no.
That be, but one of those businessmen for no.
Okay, I had a but Miss
to me, come here,
yeah, Eddie. That big businessman.
And go out to yes, I bribe no second Korea. Hey, Omunya demonstration, Omuyetiano, Yenim J. But the chairman someone's to me and can J. Yen to me, J. Debbie Uncle.
Hey, Mia. I'm Peccatus. No.
Peccatus. Happy birthday, Koma Aidan. We are Juma Ewa TV3. Happy birthday to Yanko.
Me I'm Peccatus. No.
Yeah, because
na Katuba kubu but that tilapia no creative tilapia
na tilapia only media agro no
when the project we am na don't bring why and what am ba
we project kwa makoma ehwe ma nya bota
bring why say me
we sure say you bring why
bring why na no bring why
hey bra
general former general secretary me ko ozo na egunu ni ebubu no kambu no
ozo na miko
me ko team party
na say da no ye bo audio no wa
e dey won ni ama akoni mu
da no ye bo audio no wa ho wajo and he's not the only person who can do. I don't go and move food.
Oh, Mr. Wade, I come back to my head now. But we are telling us the water where you go.
I was delegate.
Me what party? Who say, "Oh, Cabros are nice on DSC." Meko, quite a party.
I didn't go for it.
The
man is better than
everything is possible.
Obre.
Nah, but why not? Me ba fa. What's it? Me ba fa.
What's the president in fear watch? And my bakura wonye. In fear watch.
Nah.
Ba umi asuba ba umi amedi flag bearer. Wonu na akonkode san.
But I must say,
edi animu career as a committee aba no.
This man
aba no.
Before a very long time before somebody declare more whatever position whatever and no cast or resign.
He declared
because of person Dr. Baumia the flag bearer of the party. John they know the Juma war no for no one. He has been very loyal and because of him to no one about to be muno. And this is the manner he was victimized according to him was also victimized by the then General Secretary John Bodu. Omo share that management papa bia and omo share that resource no man na relevant.
And in government no so cry ni
omo fi no
I'm go Facebook on your 95.1 FM but say who is next to leave the bone shaker? Who is delegate anyway by? Who is next to leave the bone shaker? The bone shaker. And we 3 news was a campaign manifesto team, but no. campaign manifesto thing na niema eguso ano ene ne market wa ese so omu ko Togo na wo hwe driver wo sim no
obri exercise patience the bus to move
as meko I'm going to
Kanebono
meko
yeah kwase beko yeah kwase beko iwe yeah kwase meko oga
asebo I to go the guide more in fact go Facebook
Edward every bus no
I was just press one nursing
what you have currency
but ya me kwam na wo ba hu chance so say sibe so ne ne dia ba wo so na me nim so no gusu ti mas ni mo so asi fo mo but ya me dia nkrofo ni no wo manso Ọtí àmì ẹ̀kọ́ àmì díẹ̀ nùkúrọ̀fọ́ nínú wọn máa ń sùn. Nẹ̀dẹ́bá náà wúdi ẹ̀ ní kọ́kọ́ yẹ ẹ̀dùnmá nyonyún àbá wúbẹ̀ jáde. Ẹ̀dá àbá wẹ́ẹ̀dì ẹ̀wìẹ̀ nyonyún àbá wúbẹ̀ jáde.
Wọ́n sàdíẹ̀ ní yẹ.
Ẹ̀nyẹ̀ wọ́n bẹ́ di. Wọ́n bẹ́ di o.
Rẹ́fì kọ̀ọ̀fọ́
Yẹ mọ́mọ́ lẹ́di.
Ondi.
Yẹ mọ́mọ́ lẹ́di. Ṣíẹ̀.
Àkóyè àná náà ọwọ́ mma bebrebe ẹ̀nà ọkọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀fọ́ sẹ́ ọ̀pẹ̀ sọ ọwọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ma ẹ̀nà kọ̀ọ̀fọ́ sọ ọwọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ma náà ọmọ náà kwàkyẹ́ yẹ bìbí adé máa nọ. Ọkọ̀ wo bi mu asa wọ ọba ẹna kwa ne bufu yẹ na ọde sika ne konti ba ne yere ọmụ yi na amụ kọkọfọ no hɔ kọfọ no mu nya no sate madano kọyẹ bẹẹ ma kọ obedi ewu o
wadane no
bẹẹ ma kọ obedi ewu
eti madano kọyẹ bẹẹ ma kọ obedi ewu madano kọyẹ bẹẹ ma kọ obedi ewu madano.
na wọ́n ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ nkọ́ yẹ ká bẹ kọ́.
Daily graphic also President present Sona today. Inti ami aduma mampeni na dankwe kufadum. Or the State of the Nation address Botugawa Oye Ghana Yen August House Parliament on na Daily Graphic Zaba. Still what Daily Graphic the banner headline ankasa say review new taxes.
Yes.
GPCC urges government in Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council and they wants wakasa. One some what kind of abane.
Review tax more head.
And then you know what I'm saying.
What can budget you know?
Yeah,
What can budget you so now of budget.
When you the different
so now of a review a budget one. Yay.
Mozo what's our posterity? Yameche. President of GPCC and chairman of the Church of Pentecost. So I greet you.
Atom day down.
So I greet you.
So atom day down.
And only them be expecting. Last year no more to
yes.
All for you, Nana, all for you.
And
all for and I make an all for you, Nana, all for you. Just imagine what they will say.
What you do?
Nana.
Anyway, let me wrap up with our Daily Graphic. Daily Graphic also just one group to build waste treatment plant in Lagos.
Yes.
Earlier in Tuga, government to set up fintech innovation fund. Dr. Baumia was at Tuga, Obanoy fintech was over. Now was for to be was at Tuga. And son finally, the Daily Graphic. Also teacher unions make proposal for parties manifesto. A church of Funkabumu Kunuza Tuga there. Says oye manifesto. 101 for 1 fan count.
I was Jack Toronto.
That's not follow.
Jack Toronto the only had a coincidence.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM.